sick of being in this. I'm sick of being in this train cage. I'm tired of being inside a train. Ugh. I know I said I wanted to become a train, but I didn't mean it literally. Ugh, no one gets me. Whatever. What was that? Another cake just splattered. What the? Oh, there's another. Maybe I can just eat it. I just need to get out of my cage. I can't get out of my cage. Come on, this is my last try. Come on, I can finally get out of this body. Yes. I forgot how to walk and do stuff, but I can finally eat this cake. Oh my god, I'm tired of being in that the worst body ever. Whoa. I still don't know how to walk. Oh yes, I got the hang of it, but why am I more green? Why am I more greener? I'm usually dark green. Maybe because I got burnt before in the past. Whatever, I'm not questioning it. I'm gonna eat this delicious cake. Well, time to eat it. Ah! Okay, what happened here? How did he escape from his cage? Well, I need to go ask the dude to go revive him and put him back in his cage. But I'm not gonna do that. Hiya! Ow! Can't step on me. Ow. Okay, let me leave. Well, that sucked. Well, it's time to run myself over. Whee. Wait, what?
The ones who care.
I'm going too fast. I'm going to die. Jesus Christ. That really hurt. That hurt me so much that my organs are ripping apart inside of me. Ugh. Jesus. I want to get out of my body already.